Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Puppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room and I'm not wearing a shirt. It's May 3rd. It's starting to get warm here in Northern California. Surprise, surprise, surprise. If the sight of chest hair bothers you, go away. Yesterday, day before, I posted a video unboxing my new espresso maker manufactured by Mr. Coffee. Poppy does not recommend any product with Mr. Coffee attached to it. I'll show you a couple of JPEGs after the end of this to graphically illustrate what I'm talking about. Another YouTube poster, name of capital A, V, capital E, AVE, is always talking about these switches and knobs and dials on your thing being the part that the 300-pound gorilla destroys, and now your tool won't work. The Mr. Coffee designers went out of the way to make the knob you have to turn to choose for make coffee, steam milk, off, impossible to turn or even know where it's pointing. And as for the knob on the top, you have to unscrew so you can put water in it. Very important for an espresso maker to be able to put water in it. It's so smooth. They don't want people to open it up and put water in it. That's the only explanation. Because I can't say some freak who uses too many drugs doesn't know how to design shit so that you can fucking use it. But it's gotta be pretty and smooth. Someone take a shovel and beat that piece of shit to death. I like things that work. They don't have to be pretty. They don't have to be streamlined. Just work. And where that cap you have to unscrew, so you can put water in, is down into a recess, and they make it so that you can't put water in the thing without spilling it into that recess. And 47 paper napkins or 15 paper towels aren't enough to soak it all up, so it seeps down. I don't even think it's probably sealed there, so it seeps down past the plastic to the actual parts of the machine that work. Corroding electrical contacts in the switch, corroding the outside of the chamber that the water gets boiled in. Oh, speaking of, an espresso maker is supposed to put out nice, thin, spaghetti wide stream of brown liquid, right? Mr. Coffee Espresso Maker doesn't make that nice spaghetti thin stream of brown liquid. It goes like someone with terminal gonorrhea hasn't been sound rotted in a little while. Splatter all over the place. And the coffee is not good. No. I had an Imusa, that's IMUSA brand espresso maker. I had it for like 15 years. Ugly. But boy, did it make good coffee. Poppy doesn't recommend anything with Mr. Coffee on it. Mr. Coffee is a, metaphor for substandard piece of shit they sell to people at Walmart. But, it was the only $30 espresso maker my wife could find. Unfortunately, my Imusa 1995 espresso maker, and she got online, died. I miss Imusa. Look at the last video concerning this thing. Poppy unboxes and tests. They spent more time making the pretty casing to put the mechanism in so you can't use it. But boy, does it look pretty. And the coffee's shit. A perfect example of the third age of science and industry. How cheap can we make it and still get some idiot to buy it? I wish I could find the designer who drew the plans for this abortion, have him drop the lid and bend over so I could insert it. Good night from California.